So what is going on, guys? I wanted to make another quick video today to show you just how to make a trading plan. Even if you're not using supply and demand levels, even though I think supply and demand levels are the best way to trade. Anyways, so if you refer to my video before this one, you can see how I find or how I filter my stock screener to find stocks that I want to trade. The only thing that I changed from this is in that video I put 200,000 for pre-market volume. Here I put 500,000 for the minimum. So then the list is very is brought down to only three stocks compared to the other one, which was about 20 stocks. So it helps us not dilute it way too much. Anyways, so since I went over Uber before, now let's go over the second stock it gives us here, Coinbase. So we can see Coinbase is up pre-market. Market is down, Coinbase is up. So we know in our head it's already looking bullish compared to the overall market. It's up over 1%. Number two, the reason it keeps doing that blue screen is here because it likes to it'll refresh every minute. So I'll just say manual for now since the market is closed anyways. So when we look here, we can see pre-market Coinbase is trading at a volume over 700,000. That's good, over 500,000. The relative volume is 1.7, so it's 1.7 times greater than normal, with a volume of 17 million, which means it normally trades at about maybe 10 million or something. And then the market cap is 15 billion, so that reaches our 10 billion minimum, and then the price is $70. So we already filtered all these. You can look at my last video, like I said, and see how we get to this. Anyways, so we look at Coinbase. So this will be today. I just went back, used the replay feature on TradingView just so we can look. So let's look at the day before for Coinbase, right? So Coinbase had a low here of about 65.69 for 2 days in a row. So this is a good area, right? And then another area I would say is probably around here. We found some level of resistance, and this is the high for Coinbase the day before. So those are important levels. Next, we can see the high in pre-market is all the way here, and we can change the color of this if I can find that thing. Yeah, so we'll change the color of this just so we know. The red is the day before, and then this blue is pre-market, right? So market opens up. What are we looking for? I'm only looking for long positions because look how strong this thing jumped in pre-market. It went as high up as 7%. So I can expect some pullback, right? We can see, we said we're not going to use supply and demand, but we can see the levels that it gives us. So if we start the day, we can see that Coinbase came down to this low. And if we look at our RSI right here, it's telling us it's super oversold, right? RSI of 33, so we're over sold. A lot of sellers, a lot of people profit taking. Now we're looking for opportunities for those buyers to come back in, and I'm using that 50-day moving average, a break of it, to find a position. Now once we start breaking above this level, it's above the moving average, it's going above this support level. Now we can look for buyers, you know. And where would we make sure we definitely are not holding too much shares? The high of pre-market. look, once we get to that, it starts breaking below again. So that's all, guys. So we just need to make sure we're finding the right stocks, number one, and number two, we have the right levels of interest. You can use those levels that I just showed you right now, referring to the day before, or you can use the supply and demand levels from this indicator that I've showed before. It's the indicator right here. As you can see, it gives you those good levels. And I like the RSI. RSI is the most used indicator for oversold and overbought areas. So that's all. I hope that video helped, and I'll try to make at least a video, at least 3